Now, these are really small parts. So first off, I got that little plate there in place. I gotta drill a hole through right to the other side. Okay. Then I tell you, this is small. Uh-oh, that wasn't a good sound. First step I took looking for it, I stepped on it. Okay, we better zoom out. Yeah, so you guys can see this little metal piece here. You screw it and put through. It comes out the other side just barely. Okay, and there's a tiny nut here for it. So I'll get a screwdriver on it. Okay, so I got a grip on the nut. And there we go. A little wire clamp holding the tail wheel on. Okay, you can see that. There we go. One more part done. Okay, we're getting close to being finished. We'll do a throttle test next. Show off the power of the motor. Hook up the wing. Test for the CG. And ready to fly. Cap 232 should be done soon. This 3. Okay, that's looking pretty nice. Remember, I still have to adjust the tail section. Be back in later. Well, I found some screws for the tires, yay! Got that in them. I still haven't straightened up the back yet though. I have to do that. First off, we're going to do something else here. We're going to hook up the wing. So, see, there's no holes there. I have to cut holes for this. Okay, for now, I'm just going to set everything inside here. Got a groove in the front for the wing to fit. Oh man, it's looking good, eh? It fits right there. Now, there's 2 holes. Right here and here. Now I have to open up in the wing, I guess. The screws to go through. Yep, I can feel them. You know what we're going to do that? Everyone guess. We've got to get the candle out. I got my candle. Light my candle. Remember, there's many ways to do this. Other people like certain ways. I'm way happier using a hot X-Acto knife. So I heat my knife up. And you can see me here doing this. Just hold my knife in the flame of the candle. And you gotta make sure that your X-Acto knife is a metal gripper and not a plastic one. Okay. Now I have feel for these little holes. I feel one right there. Where is it? Right there. Okay. It's hard again. Then I feel on the other side. Where's the other one? Oh no. I can't find it. Over here. Ha ha ha. side, see? Same as here. There, that's done. That's all we had to do. Oh no, Mama Bear won't stay. Okay. Bye-bye, candle. Okay, so one of my last little packages. That won't work, will it? The hand drill instead of this. Comes with some nylon washers and screws. These will be for mounting the wing. Okay? A screw and a washer and a screw and a washer. I'll put the airplane back over here. And started in their spots. Okay. Now there's no reason why we can't go fast. Be careful how tight I go, because I don't want to over tighten this ever. Okay, that's good for now. Ah, you guys, guess what? I'm going to turn it over here. Oh, how do you guys think? Here we go. The cap 232 finished. Haha. I think it looks pretty nice. Yeah. Prop's a little small maybe. Maybe we should use a bigger prop. It looks pretty good. Yep.